Are you done drowning in copy-paste side hustle advice that never works? Sick of hearing the same drop-shipping, TikTok reposting, be a VA tips that everyone and their grandma already tried? Good, because today I'm pulling you out of the noise and putting you in a different league. We're talking hidden money plays, ideas that nobody shares, big opportunities that can actually build wealth instead of just stealing your free time. This is not about chasing a few cents. This is about building digital power and stacking assets that make money for you while others sleep. If you're ready to stop being a spectator in the money game and finally step onto the field, lock in. 1. Digital real estate and local leads. Forget buying physical houses. We're talking about owning digital property. Imagine making a simple website for a local plumber, dentist, or landscaper in your city. You get it ranked on Google, so when people search plumber in your city, your site shows up. The customer calls, you forward the lead, and the plumber pays you every month. You don't fix pipes, you just send customers. Once the site ranks, it's almost passive income. Small cities have very little competition, so this works fast. Build more sites and more niches, and you've got a portfolio of money-making digital billboards. 2. Micro acquisitions. Instead of starting a business from zero, you can buy a small one that's already working. This could be a mini software tool, a blog, an online shop, or even a social media account. Why would someone sell? They're tired, bored, or just want cash now. That's where you step in. You buy it, improve it, and grow it. Websites like Flippa and Acquire.com are full of these deals, sometimes just a few $1,000s. It's faster and safer than building from scratch. 3. Niche equipment rentals. Everyone knows Airbnb, but what about renting out special gear people need once in a while but don't want to buy? Examples? Cameras, drones, concrete mixers, popcorn machines, even party gear or RVs. You buy one item, rent it out for a daily or weekly fee, and it pays for itself. Demand is high, supply is low. If you're near construction sites, think tools. Near a film school, think cameras. Simple. 4. High-value niche consulting. Consulting sounds corporate, but small businesses desperately need help too, and they'll happily pay. Got a skill? Email marketing, local SEO, online booking systems, inventory management, whatever you know. Don't be a generalist. Pick one problem you can solve well. Example, you help a restaurant get 20 new customers a month with emails. That's money in their pocket, so they'll pay you every month. Zero startup cost, just your brain and skills. 5. Content site flipping. This one is like digital real estate, but for blogs and content sites. Many people start a blog, get traffic, then quit. Those sites are cheap to buy. You take over, add better content, fix SEO, drop in affiliate links or digital products, and boom, the revenue goes up. Then you sell it for 2x what you paid. Do this a few times and it adds up fast. Wrap up. These 5 income streams aren't magic tricks. They take learning and effort, but they're way less crowded than the usual side hustles, and they can build serious wealth. They're about using your skills, spotting gaps, and building assets that work for you instead of trading hours for money. If you're hungry for a smarter path to freedom, this is it. Pick one and start today. The blue ocean is waiting. Don't just grind harder, play smarter. You've just seen 5 income streams that 99% of people will never touch because they're too busy chasing the same recycled hustles. But you're not like them. Otherwise, you wouldn't still be here. Now it's simple. You either scroll away and forget everything, or you subscribe right now and keep stacking unfair advantages every week. This channel isn't about fluff, it's about action. Finding angles, building leverage, breaking out of the rat race. So smash that subscribe button, drop a comment with which income stream hits you hardest, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay relentless, and always rise.